When you practice semen retention, your dopamine levels increase overall. Your dopamine receptors in your brain can normalize and rewire so that you feel okay just being alive. You don't need to constantly be looking at a screen or jacking off to porn just to feel okay, just to go to sleep at night. And this improves your focus and your concentration, which leads to behaviors that will be more attractive to women, like developing skills, having more presence in social situations, having more confidence in carrying out a conversation, and pursuing your interests in life because you're not too busy and distracted and run down to do it.